guys, good day. It's your boy BNF, and I'm here with another tutorial today. Or should I say, more for an execution guide. So basically, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create an online identity for your business. Basically, you can't be in 2025 right now and you are telling me your brand, your business don't have a website, or you don't have a portfolio for your business, a landing page for it. So that basically shows you are not serious about your business. Because in 2025, 2026 and beyond, everything is going to be digital. And currently, getting a portfolio website for yourself, I'm not talking about a full functional app, but just something basic to give you an identity, a presence online is much more easier than people can think. People usually think you have to be, make it technical, but AI has actually made all that easy. So today I'm going to be walking you through this step, how you can create a digital identity for yourself. I'm going to show you the full process of branding with AI, brainstorming your foundation with AI, and then finally building with AI. So we are going to walk through the step and execute everything. So the first thing you want to start with is branding with AI. So basically, this is like the first thing you want to do. You want to first of all bring your idea to life. So how we're going to do that? For doing this, you can actually use any chatbot of your choice. You can use ChatGPT, you can use DeepSeek, you can use anyone. For me, I'm using Mistra. So right here. Now, all we're gonna do, take for example, my website is sorry about that. My product is fashion designing. I'm into fashion designing, I'm a tailor, and I want an identity for my business where people can see what I've done in the past, where people can see testimonies of my work, testimonials, all that. Those are what actually convincing clients. Now let's do that. So take for example, my product is into fashion designing, I'm a tailor. So this is what I'm going to do. Great. I'll stick these prompts in the comment section just in case you want to use it. Alright, so you can see the AI has generated a complete breakdown of how this brand is going to be. So quickly, let's go through that. So you can see brand name and ideas. First of all, that should be up to you. If you already have a name for your brand, your business, no problem, you can skip that. Now this is the important part, brand identity. Now first, you want to go for your logo design, then you want to go for your secondary colors, and then you want to have specialized icons that you'll be using for your designs whenever you are publishing something for your brand or your business. So you can pick your color, and then you have your typography, your font size, and then most of all your brand voice and your messaging. What type of message are you trying to push out there? What is going to be your tagline? What kind of tune are you going to be using for your brand? All these are what matters, because why? It will attract the right customers to your business. So you don't have to be doing random things and then you'll just be fluctuating. People will just be working over your business. But if you're going to focus on a luxury message, a luxury tune, then you'll be attracting luxury customer. If you're going to focus on the local tune, on the local message, then you're going to attract local customer. So basically that's how it is. So that's it. Then following up, you get your visual style, you have your photography, your patterns and texture, and most of all your social media. Then you have signature collections, and then you have packaging. Now we don't need to spend time going through all this that much, but now what I want you to do now is going to the next step right here. The second step right here we have on our calendar is brainstorming our foundation. So our foundation of our online business. So basically we already have the identity. Now we want to take that identity and turn it into a structure that we can actually use to build a business website, or should I say business landing page, or a portfolio for our business. So let's do that quickly. So now I want to take that same brand identity we just create and use it to actually create a foundation. So now, still using AI. You don't have to use multiple AI for this. Now we're gonna do this. It's all about the prompting. Now you're gonna see this. If you want this prompt, just notify me in the comment section. I'll drop the prompt for you. Now I'm gonna hit enter. So here we go. Good. Now we're getting what we want. Can see that. Now usually you would have to get a developer to basically do this for you. Now don't get me confused about this, because I'm actually also a developer. So I'm not actually ruining the business, I'm only actually making it better. So because if customers can actually build their online business, it will be easier, because they will need developers to help them maintain it. But just to skip the most expensive part of it all, getting your business online without no developer, you don't have the budget for that, you get. So you can basically use this shortcut to spin up something online. Then when you want to scale that business, then you can start including developers. So now we have a context file right here. You can call it a prompt, but basically this is a context file for our website structure. Now we're going to use this. Now it's very simple. You just have to copy all this. So started from this landing page design. Now we're going to copy everything. So now we are going to edit some stuff right here, so that it basically resonates with our brand and matches the message we are trying to pass. Now don't worry, you're not going to be spending any money on this process entirely. From starting to ending, it's going to be totally free. So now landing page design. So now we're going to add our brand name right here. Yes, my brand name is Alexa Styles. So take for example, I'm just gonna put Alexa Styles, or should I put Alexa Styles? Sounds more relatable, I guess. Alexa Styles. So now just that alone. Now we're gonna copy our prompt. Now I'm gonna introduce you to it. To basically, most of you would have heard of it already, but this tool is where we're going to be using building with AI, the third step in our execution movement. So basically we're going to be building with AI, but we're going to be using a tool called Lovable. It's an AI tool, a website AI tool that spins up website in minutes. So basically I'm just going to go to Lovable right now. Alright, now we are in Lovable. So basically we're going to paste our context file right here. I mean the one you edited, not the raw one you copied at first. So see, I have mine here with the Alexa styles and all that. So later on your own time, you can actually spend time actually adjusting this to meet your requirements and satisfaction. But for the sake of this tutorial, I won't be doing that to avoid long content, you get. So I'm going to send this right now. Now all I have to do is just wait for Lovable to do its job. So Lovable is just going to do its job. All we're going to do is wait for a few minutes. I think at least it's a minimum of 5 minutes. So basically I'm gonna pause this video, and when it is done building, I will resume. Bam! Can you look at that? So Lovable just pinned up the website. Lovable just pinned up the website. So you can see right here, the beauty is insane. Like, this was done under a few minutes. So you can see right here, look at, with both styles, both images, you know, anything you want. And it doesn't actually really end there. You can actually refine the website through this prompt. Take for example, you don't want this image right here, you can actually tell Lovable, you know, to basically change it or adjust it. So I'm not gonna do too much on customization. I'm just showing you how this is done. So in your own spare time, you can, you know, tweak this on your own. Same thing goes with the Alexa Stars logo. If you have a specific logo you want to use, or you already have a logo for your business, you can just basically upload it on Lovable right here, and then tell everyone to replace the logo on the website with that, and it will do that for you. So you can see right here we got a landing page for a fashion, and as you can see, this is actually professional. You can't tell me this isn't professional. So the worst part of sorry, but the good part of it is that it is fully mobile responsive. You can check it out here on tablet view, and you can see how it looks on mobile view. So you can see right here, wow, this is insane. You can see this on mobile view. So now it doesn't just end right there, you can also publish it. So yeah, you can publish it. So first, before we publish the website, I'm just going to make a little change to it. Take for example this photo right here, I want it to be a bit more local. So what I'm going to do is add a prompt. Let's go right here. Now let me add a prompt here so that you guys can see that. So I want you to add so I'm just gonna do that. So I'm just showing you what is possible with this. So we're actually building this live. I'm not just giving you a tutorial. You follow this tutorial, you actually build your online business and give it an identity. You wouldn't just know, it's not just the knowledge, it is the full execution process. So now you can see that right there. And let's wait for that artist. So it does. So as usual, I'm going to pause this video and wait till it does that. Alright, so right here you can see Lovable have actually finished building this website. So it has added the adjustment I wanted. So you can see now it's more of an African style. You can see. So you can see this is super insane. Like I said, you can add more details and all that, and the website is fully responsible. One more last thing you can do is you can publish this website to make it live right now. Yes, right now. So right here I'm just going to rename my name of the website to Alexa Styles. So and I'm going to save that, hit that little icon there, save. Now I can publish the website. So just wait for it to publish. So while that's published, I want to actually highlight some things for you guys. So this is just to get you started in your online business journey. So and currently Lovable has a $5 credit limit for free accounts every month. So that is why I used the three-step breakdown process. Yeah, that's why I used it, this step right here, basically so that we can achieve everything for free without paying. Because if you were to just go to Lovable and started committing your ideas and all that without no planning, without no structure, you just burn a lot of credits and waste a lot of, time, because it won't actually give you what you want. So it's all about the prompt, it's all about the details, it's all about the planning, it's all about the structure. Now this is just a glimpse of what this is capable of. I can actually do a wide broad design. I can actually do a wide, more broad focused on AI development. You get? So you can start using AI to do productive stuff, automate the boring part of your life. Okay, so stick with me on this journey, and trust me, your life is never going to be the same again. I can guarantee you that. As long as you execute, do not just watch this video and just leave it. Make sure you execute. Make sure you execute. That is the most important thing. It is not about watching this video, it is not about knowing how to do it. Make sure you give this a try. Usually I recommend pausing this video, then doing everything I do, so that you can follow along with the video to the end. Now on our next lesson, I'll be teaching you how to take this new online identity of yours, this business identity, into social media, integrating it with social media, and making it more exposed, so that the world can see your business and they can know that you are actually professional on what you do. So if you like this content and it has been helpful for you, or who it will be helpful for, you can share it to them, and you can actually leave a like, and you can subscribe. But it is I just want to bring authentic content to you guys. I don't want to sugarcoat anything. I'm bringing it raw, straight to you. So I want us to level up together, build together, not like those other YouTubers are selling you clickbait. So this is how the real stuff is done, and later on in my videos I will be expanding more on that. With that being said and done, I wish you good luck in your execution. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.